Rocking in the rain. We're trying to find anywhere that's warm. We're going to the animation studio, which is actually really fun. Wow. Nightmare for Christmas.
Oh, okay. Sally from Nightmare.
Oh.
I'll think about
Art class.
Thank you. If you look at your pencils, you notice they're missing erasers. No erasers, not that. We want you to focus on the fundamentals of drawing. So let's go ahead and draw a circle about the size of a baseball. Don't worry about how perfect it looks, okay? Perfection is a social construct anyway, right? No rhyme or reason, no right or wrong way. I like to use the end of the nose and draw these little points, but it looked like we gave her a tiny little angry face. She's very upset about something. Big expressive eyes. And then from the sides of the cheek, you're gonna bring down 2 more flat lines. Looking good over here, whoa! That's a really good style on these proportions. Great, good job. The eyes, I think that's really what they're standing out. Well, you know what? Nice work at the front. Let's give each other a round of applause. What do you think?
Yay.
Yeah, first job well done.
This is hobbies. This is mine. Mine is so cute. I'm obsessed with her. That's so fun. Cutie. Mickey. So that's the academy where they teach you how to draw. That's the Turtle Talk. It's very interactive. That's where you do photos. Another place you do photos where it's close up. And then this is the Sorcerer's Workshop. We've never been to the Sorcerer's Workshop, so this is a first for us. Oh wow. They have the Beast Library, Magic Mirror Realm, and then Ursula's Grotto. Jiminy Cricket. Look at this. Little sorcerer's room. Wow. Look at the fairy godmother from Pinocchio. The fairies from Sleeping Beauty. This is giving me like Harry Potter vibes, low-key. What?
You see, just see it through here, okay? Whatever you're seeing.
Okay. Oh, so it's a little motion picture. That is actually super cool. Let's see, are they all different? Let's see. Spin this one for me, please. Cool. Let's see what it does. No way, that is so cool. Oh, look at this one. Can you turn it? Oh wait, this one you can't turn. I'm thinking you could turn everything now. Oh wait, you can. What the heck? What? Stop. This is so cool. Which one's this? Oh, Ursula. And who's this? Gaston. What does it look like normal? Oh, it's just him and his reflection. Oh. Oh. Okay, wait, show me.
Nobody there, right?
Okay. Yeah, that's how Gaston's mirror was. Okay, go. But yeah, now he's there. You spinned it really fast. Like it has like a little mirror to reflect. Does that help at all? Okay, go. Oh, the same thing where now Tinkerbell's in there. This is like a Thanos moment. No, I'm just kidding. Is there stuff in here too? Is it the same vibes? Do you push it or what? What are these for over here is what I want to know too. Because you have like pencils, and then you have like all this paper.
Beyond this hall, a room of books and mirrors that can change your looks, where characters from A to Z reflect your personality.
Okay, it's the zodiac signs. Do you see it? Do you see your zodiac? Obviously mine's a little fishy. Where's yours? The Taurus.
Which one is that? That one?
Yeah, that one with the little... To the Beast's library. Wow. A long ways. Oh, look at that. The ceiling. And there's like so many little interactive things.
It is perfect, yes?
Woo,
If not,
yes.
you may try again.
Should we try it again? Or should we save the picture? Try again.
Wonderful. I will
No.
save your portrait for the final chapter.
We should try again.
But first, we must learn a little bit about the wonderful personality that is you.
Madame.
When you have a problem, would you rather talk it out with friends or think it through in your head? Do you see yourself as more sensible or more... Are you ruled more by your passionate heart? Or do you usually like to plan things out or wait to see what happens? Very good. One more question we must ask. Would you rather... Your creativity and imagination are boundless. You stay true to yourself and your beliefs, often making sure that nobody gets left behind or forgotten. You are most like Milo. There you have it. I do love a happy ending. Au revoir. Toodaloo. Okay, who's next?
Oh no. The beast. Oh look. It looks so real. How crazy is that? It's like right here too, look. You can touch it, but you can't touch it. But it looks so real. The flower! Oh my gosh, and it's losing a petal. Look! Yes! He came back to life! Oh, and look, the fire is so different. Yes. Oh, look at it. You have like a little throne. Do you see that? Look at Walt. Wow. Turtle talk with Crush.
Now for my friends on the C4, make sure you're only in the blue before we get started and not the wavy carpets, all right?
Scope out the double spinner intro by the turtle. Scope out all the humans in the people tag. Hello, human dudes. Some of them live, alright. Oh, is that the Jake dude over there?
Yeah, Crush.
Dude, what up?
What up?
Dude, let's totally make contact with these humans. Let's totally start a tie pool closest to you. Right by the center aisle, second noggin in. Dude up there with the blue lid on the noggin.
Oh, yeah, man.
Hey, Dudette, what's your name?
Juliana.
Dude, that's a righteous human name. Yeah, I'm gonna give you an awesome turtle nickname though. I'm gonna call you Jellyfish Juliana. So Jellyfish Juliana, now you have an awesome turtle nickname. Do you know how to talk like a turtle?
No.
Oh, dude, no worries. It's pretty fast. Hey. Now it's your turn. Who's got a quizzy for the Crush, man? Go ahead and raise your fin if you got a quiz.
Hey, Crush, that kid up front has a question.
Oh, good looking out, Hank. Yeah, let's go to Tide Bar here, Jake. Right by that top corner. Dude right there with the yellow shell.
Yeah.
Hey, dude, what's your name?
Danny, how do you know how all your kids' names when they're all of them?
Oh, dude, because I'm their father, dude. Yeah, I totally raised each and every one of them, dude. And that's how I know, like, their names. And here's, like, the most awesome part. You know how I can totally tell them apart from any other, like, baby turtles out there? My dudette Shelly, she's totally an artist. So on each and every one of my little ones, like Shell, dude, they each have, like, this awesome art design, dude. So I totally know which ones are mine. It's totally sweet, dude. Oh, yeah, what's going on, dude?
Oh, hello, Crush. I'm trying to get away from a turtle pile.
Dude, you want to get in a turtle pile. Hey, human dude, shout out turtle pile.
Please, I just got
away. So, like this thing, like, what is this, Paulina?
So, let's say you're at a football game and you bought something for like $2 and you don't want it. You just throw it in the ocean.
So, this is just trash?
No?
Oh.
Just do it for no reason.
Oh, well, how do you use this thing?
Oh, so you put it on your hand and you just wave it around.
Okay. That's the best I could do without elbows. And now what?
You just yell out number 1.
Number 1. I did it. But hey, what's like that barnacle thing like pinned to your shell right there?
Oh, it's my birthday pin.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is today your hatch day?
No.
Oh. When is it?
It was my birthday was yesterday.
Oh, dude, you still keep the party going. That's totally awesome. Well, hey, let me, give you this awesome Hatch Day gift that we give to all the little turtles right down here, dude. Anyone else celebrating Hatch Day out there? Go ahead and raise your fin. Okay, we got a couple out there. All right, this goes out to all the birthday dudes and dudettes. Dude, 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 dude. Chaw. Dude. Chaw. I'm so glad that you had Jezebel and everyone celebrating Hatch Day today or yesterday. Everybody, dude. And many chaws. Happy Hatch Day, dudes. You so totally rock. Before I go, I'm going to leave you with this bit of turtle wisdom. Always remember, or else you'll forget. All right, dudes, I'll catch you later. You.
Like